Trial of the three former Minneapolis police officers is expected to head to the jury tomorrow.
The men are charged with violating George Floyd's civil rights. Today, lawyers for all sides delivering closing arguments. Our Rob Olson has been in federal court for the entire trial.
When Tutau worked crowd control, as he called it, the prosecution argues that he stood by, did not intervene with Derek Chauvin's asphyxiation of George Floyd, and ignored pleas of bystanders, all of whom could see the obvious, said Assistant U.S. Attorney Mandis Sertich, that a man was dying right before their eyes. Sertich delivered the closing argument in their month-long trial of the three former officers, that Tao and J. Alexander King failed to intervene with Chauvin, and along with Thomas Lane, all three failed to render aid. And key to the charges is that they willfully made that decision. If you have kids, you know what willfulness means, she said. They know it's wrong and they do it anyway. They don't have to intend a tragic outcome, arguing that not finding a pulse was a prime example. After that, they said nothing, did nothing. When the need was the greatest, they did the least. Tao's defense attorney Robert Pauley argued to jurors that all three officers suspected excited delirium, that training told them to hold Floyd down until EMS arrived, and showed again the pictures from training that showed knees on necks. Thomas Plunkett also argued the training was inadequate, that transcripts and timelines do not reflect the reality of a fluid situation. What did he see, perceive, and experience? He asked about J. Alexander King. Earl Gray said Thomas Lane's actions show he was not deliberately indifferent. You've heard nothing but innocent conduct by a rookie police officer, he said to jurors. Why did the government indict him? We all know why. Politics. Yeah, and Earl Gray, the last of the attorneys to give closing arguments, got pretty fired up there in the end when he proclaimed that Thomas Lane is innocent of this, that he's a rookie officer. You know, and all three defense attorneys really took aim at this idea of willfulness. That's a key part of these civil rights charges, that they had to willfully violate these things, know that they're doing it. And they said the government just did not prove that they willfully did so. The jury will get the case in the morning after they receive their instructions. In St. Paul, Rob Olson, Fox 9.
A Twin Cities high school